Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And guess who just got a job? Me. So guys, I just got a new job as a data analyst, and I'm so excited and so happy to share with you guys. I'm just going to put you through all the processes of how I was able to get this job in this video. So if you want to know, stay tuned to the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then let's begin. All right guys, so I'm one of the team member in the company where I just got a job in, reached out to me. I think last month. So she reached out to me and asked me if I was available for the role. So I was excited. If you've been following me, you will know that I resigned from my previous work because it wasn't convenient for me. It was every day, Monday to Friday, 8 to 5, and I didn't want a job like that, right? I mean, I learned a test skill so that I can, have more flexible work hour. All right. I wanted something like remote. I like staying at home. I just want to be at home and work. So that was one of the reasons I learned a tech skill. So my previous work was usually 3 times in a week. That's like 3 times on site, 2 days remote, right? But everything changed early this year and it was now every day on site and it wasn't working for me at all. So I had to resign. I talked about that in my previous video. Maybe I'll put the link up there if you want to check it out. So I told you guys in that video that yeah, I'm looking for a remote job and I didn't want a Nigerian remote job. I wanted that kind of remote job, but I got this. Okay, I got this job and it's actually very good. The pay is fine and is hybrid. I just work 3 times a week in this job, so that was actually fine. And even though I'm still looking for a remote job, I'm still applying. There's a job I applied to, I think last 2 weeks or so. I'm still going to gist you guys on how that one went. So this person reached out to me and asked me if I was available for the job. I said, yeah, sure, fine. When are we going to meet? So we scheduled a meeting and we met and talked about everything. So we had sort of an interview. There's not actually an interview. It seems as though they have agreed and made up their mind about everything. So I wasn't really interviewed. I was just told how the job is going to be, the terms, the conditions, and then we discussed about about the salary, how much I was going to pay, I was going to be paid and everything. So that was just how it went. I agreed and then I started. I started just this week and I'm super excited to be adding this to my experience. If you've been following me on LinkedIn, you would have seen the job announcement on LinkedIn and so many congratulations I'll be getting. I'm yet to reply to those. I don't even know how to reply to them. Like there are so many. I don't even know what I think I'll just like all of the posts. So if you're one of those that congratulated me, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate. And I'm hoping that you also will be congratulated very soon. So now I want to talk about the job that I applied for, I think 2 weeks or so or thereabouts. So the job is for a production analyst. Yeah, a production analyst. So I applied for this job and it's an on-site job. I actually, I don't want an on-site job, but I wanted to just gain experience. Like it's a totally new field. And if you know me, I just want to be exposed. I just want to learn new things because I know the more I learn, the more I know, the more value I add. So whatever that is going to help me to learn new things and give me more exposure, I'm usually willing to do it. So I applied for this job and wrote the composed an email, put in my CV and sent to them. And guys, they got back to me. Yeah, they did. They got back to me. I was so happy when I saw the email. It was on a Sunday morning. They got back to me. So I was so happy. I was very, very happy. When I went to church, I was excited. Oh, they got back to me and everything. So, and the email, they asked me to do an assessment. I'm like, okay, an assessment is fine. They usually ask for some, most like at least the ones I've applied to. They usually ask me to do an assessment. Some give a project, data analytics project, data sets with problem statements and everything, like a capstone project, and tell you to do and return. Just let them just test your skill. but this one was just an assessment, like a test. So I said, no problem, I'm gonna do the test. But as I was thinking about the job, mind, before I applied for this job, I didn't really do much research on it. How we just see a lot of job availabilities, we just be applying, applying, applying. I didn't do much research on it. I just saw the person that sent this job availability to my community. So I have a data analysis community. I usually put a link in the description, and this community we also send job alert or job availabilities in the community. So the person that sent it, they just listed few things there that is required, and it was fine for me. So I went ahead to apply. I didn't go through the company. I didn't go to the company's page and everything. So after they reached out to me later, I went through the company's page. I read everything about the company. I even, went through, I chatted some of the people that work there. And, I just Googled the company, and I wasn't really liking what I was seeing. It's not like it's a bad company. They are good. I think maybe some people will be fine with it, but it's not what I'm looking for, right? I think they work from all through the week, like to Saturday to Saturday, and that's a lot. I can't just do that. So that was one of the reasons. And then the pay wasn't much either. And I just knew that this work was going to stress me. Not just that, even the things that they listed I will be doing is a lot. Is a lot. It's just a little of analysis. Just a little. Most of the things they are just inventory and production work. Like from what they wrote there, that is the job requirement, or what the person will be doing, is 80% other things and 20% data analytics. So I just knew that the work was going to stress me. So I did assessment, or I did the assessment yesterday. Guys, if you see the assessment, it was not funny. Like, it was so fast. It was timed though, not just timed. They even turned on the camera. I had to turn on my camera, turn on my audio, and they told me they're going to be taking my pictures as I go. Like which kind? What kind of test is this? Well, I did the test. I just wanted to see how the test is, just to also gather experience, right? So as I went through the test, they asked me some questions, practical questions, and the problem is that there was no time. Like, the time was too fast. Like, I couldn't even, you can be like, oh, you would have used ChatGPT. I couldn't even use anything. That's how fast the time was. Like, before you can even copy the question and go to another tab and paste it on ChatGPT, the time is already off. Like, that's how fast it was. I'm sure they made it that fast so that people won't use AI to get the answers. So I couldn't even use AI. Like, it was just too fast. I just did what I could do, and the assessment took like 1 hour. It just took like 1 hour for me to do the assessment. It was a lot, a lot. They asked a lot of questions, and the time was just too fast. I don't even know how well I did in that test. They said I can check my result, but I was just exhausted. I just left them. So thank God I'm not even interested in the work. I just want to see whether, to test myself. Do you get? So I'm sure I would have done better if the time was less, because most of the jobs they are, I have to think like critically, but there's no time. No, the time is almost off, and then you're still trying to figure out what the question. You're still trying to think and put everything together. It was just too much. I don't know. It was just too much. So I don't know. I didn't check my results, and I don't know if they'll get back to me. And thank God I'm no longer interested in the job anyways. But if they get back to me, I'll let you guys know. So how is your job search or job hunting going? I would like to know in the comment section. It's not easy, but we're going to get there. So keep applying for the job. Whatever you're looking for, please keep applying. I'm still going to be applying for a remote job, and I'm going to get it. But for now, I'm going to do this hybrid job and also some little gigs I have around. That was why I actually wanted something flexible, because I don't want to be stuck to one thing that will take all my time. Okay, so I want to know how your job hunting is going. I want to know if you have any questions, and then I hope you congratulate me in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. All right, bye.